Join me as I dive into the world of Forex trading and try to make my first profit as a complete beginner. Welcome to this step-by-step guide to making money through Forex trading. If you're new to the world of Forex, you're probably wondering what all the fuss is about. Can you really make money trading currencies online? The answer is yes, and I'm excited to show you how. In this video, we'll take it from the top, covering the basics of Forex trading and providing you with a solid foundation to start your trading journey. When it comes to Forex trading, one of the biggest challenges beginners face is the sheer complexity of the market. It's easy to get overwhelmed by the vast amount of information available, and it's hard to know where to start. Another major hurdle is the unpredictability of the market. Prices can fluctuate rapidly, making it difficult to make informed trading decisions. On top of that, developing a profitable trading strategy that works for you can take a lot of trial and error. And let's not forget about the emotional rollercoaster that comes with trading. Fear, greed, and euphoria can all cloud your judgment and lead to impulsive decisions. Many beginners also struggle with the concept of leverage in Forex trading. While it can amplify your potential gains, it can also increase your potential losses. This means that even a small mistake can wipe out your entire account. Additionally, the vast number of available currency pairs can be daunting, making it hard to decide which ones to trade and when. And let's not forget about the numerous trading platforms and tools available. It's hard to know which ones are right for you. In spite of these challenges, many people are drawn to Forex trading because of its potential for high returns and flexibility. With the right mindset and approach, you can overcome these obstacles and start making money through Forex trading. Let's start with the basics. Forex trading involves the exchange of one currency for another at an agreed-upon exchange rate. The goal is to buy low and sell high, profiting from the difference in exchange rates. To do this, you'll need to understand currency pairs, which consist of a base currency and a quote currency. You'll also need to familiarize yourself with trading platforms, such as MetaTrader or CTrader, which provide you with the tools to analyze markets, open trades, and manage your risk. When it comes to analyzing market trends, there are two main approaches: technical analysis and fundamental analysis. Technical analysis involves studying charts and patterns to identify trends and predict future price movements. Fundamental analysis, on the other hand, involves studying economic indicators, news, and events to understand the underlying forces driving market trends. Both approaches are essential in forming a well-rounded trading strategy. One key insight that can significantly improve your trading success is the importance of risk management. This involves setting stop losses, limiting your position size, and diversifying your portfolio to minimize your exposure to potential losses. Another crucial element is having a trading plan, which outlines your goals, risk tolerance, and the strategies you'll use to achieve them. As we wrap up this video, I want to summarize the main points we've covered. We've discussed the potential of Forex trading for beginners, the common challenges you may face, and the essential components of Forex trading, including currency pairs, trading platforms, and market analysis. We've also touched on the importance of risk management and having a trading plan. Thanks for watching, and I encourage you to leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more content on Forex trading and tips to improve your trading skills.